Good day, gentle dudes and lovely ladies. Today I'm in downtown LA to show you how to use LA Metro's bike share system so you can get around a little easier, not have to worry about parking, and not have to walk such longish distances. Okay, so there's a few things you should know. First, these bikes work very similar to how they work in other parts of the world. They're meant to get you from point A to point B in whatever city you're in, definitely for short rides, be it downtown LA, Port of Los Angeles, which is in Long Beach, or in the Venice area. I think it's best to use these bikes to get from places like LA Live or to the LA Convention Center to 7th and Fig, or over to the Arts District, or even the Santiales or Little Tokyo. If Uber and Lyft aren't an option for you, it does beat driving if you want to experience the sights and sounds of the city a little bit better. Plus, you don't have to worry about parking. Second, Metro Bike Pass is now managed by the Tap Card. Once the video is available, I'll link it here so you get information on best ways to get one and how and where to use them. Existing pass holders though, you must enroll to continue using it, but if you just want to use it once, you can use your credit or debit card. I know that might sound a little bit confusing, but we're going to dive into that in just a little bit. When riding in downtown LA, I recommend avoiding riding on the streets when it's traffic time, because it gets really hectic, and because most streets in the area are one-ways. Stick to the quieter roads and the ones with bike lanes. And in some areas, be careful riding on the sidewalks when there's lots of people, because I have seen riders get fined from the police. Rent one or up to 4, get where you want to be, dock it back at a nearby docking station, leave it there, and that completes the rental period, and it's really that easy. Okay, so let's talk about pricing. You have a few options for gaining access to checking some of these bikes out. You either have a Tap Card or registered for one before you arrive, and you signed up for the annual pass, the monthly pass, or the day pass. Day pass gonna cost you $5 for all day access. All rides less than 30 minutes, free. Use it, dock it, use it, dock it. But if you go over 30 minutes, each ride over 30 minutes, it's gonna cost you $1.75. Once you're at the docking station, you'll either need your credit card or debit card to check out the bike. Cash and prepaid cards are not going to be accepted unless you've registered your Tap Card online through the site, which you can access from the Metro Bikes app. Once you've completed the purchase, pick the number of the dock for the bike you prefer. It'll flash green and let you know that it's ready to be pulled out, and you're good to go. Then ride as fast and as safe as you can, but ride like the wind. Now, if you buy yourself a pass online and you haven't gotten your Tap Card yet, all you need to do is come to the kiosk and verify yourself with the number that you use. Okay, so now let's actually go over the process of renting a bike and using it. First, you need to find a docking station. I'm on the corner of 11th and Hope, just east of the LA Convention Center and LA Live, so I already knew where one was. But if you need to know where one is by where you are, download and use the Metro Bike app. It's linked in the description below for both iPhone and Android. Or if you prefer the City Mapper app, which I've started to use a lot recently, that app will also tell you where you can find the nearest ones to you. Both apps are going to tell you how many bikes are left in the docking stations and how many spaces are available for when you're returning the bike. Once you're done riding, if you didn't already check the map at the kiosk and memorize the drop-off location nearest the place where you're going to, pull up the app to find the nearest docking station that has free spots available, slide that bike into the dock, make sure you push it in hard enough until you hear the beep giving you confirmation that it's docked, ending your riding session. If you paid for all day or all month access, then go up to any other kiosk and use the same card, and the system will recognize that you already paid for your access fee. Well, that's it. Hope you found this helpful. For more helpful videos on how to get around LA, shopping, eating, or visiting places in LA like a local, consider subscribing and sharing this with a friend you feel might find value from it. Here's a few other videos you can click on to get more info. I'm George Lopez. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.